Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing both camera footage and the external recorder file into the same Premiere project. Make sure the sequence frame rate and audio sample rate match your recorder. Mismatches cause drift later. Place the camera clip on V1 and the external audio directly under it on A1 so waveforms are visible. Once done, zoom into the timeline and scan for matching peaks or slate hits. This first visual pass gets you within a few frames, so manual or automatic synchronization works reliably. Once your rough alignment is visible, try Premiere's Synchronize command. Select the camera clip and external audio, right-click, choose Synchronize, and pick Audio. Premiere looks for waveform peaks and aligns them automatically. If the auto method misses by a frame or two, expand the audio height and nudge the audio clip with the comma/period keys or shift plus arrow for larger moves until spikes line up. For larger shoots, merge confirmed pairs or build a multicam sequence so you keep sync across edits and angles. Now lock the sync. Trim clip edges, apply short audio crossfades to avoid clicks, and use the slip tool for fine visual adjustments while preserving clip durations. Make the external recorder your primary audio track and mute camera scratch unless needed for ambient sound. Export a short test file to confirm a /V alignment on a player. If you notice drift over long clips, check sample rates and recorder settings. Reconform or resample the audio and rerun synchronization. That single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.